Alright, we are back at it a week later. So the bolt in the back stripped pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty rounded. I've been trying to break it up with some blaster, and I went to AutoZone. Got these little bolt extractors, and I need the 9/16. So here it is. We are going to try and take it out and go from there. Let's see how we do. I got it. Just turn it now. Holy shit, it was on there. Oh yeah, I got a torque wrench. I got it off Amazon. I mean, I haven't even took the sticker off yet. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, that's where we at. Alright. Kind of put it back on, a new one on. The old one. There you go. Oh, it's done. Wasn't too bad. It's on there. 1 down, 3 to go. I mean, the front, I mean, should pretty much be the same concept. I mean, seat clamp, take your things off. Yeah. Hopefully none of the bolts are stripped. That'll be good. So, here we go. Finito, baby. Well, just one side. But it's good. I'm about to wipe it down with some cleaner. I already have this wrapped so it don't get exposed to whatever bullshit, and until I actually get the wheel ready. But yeah, that is not too bad. Not too bad. I probably won't finish the other side today because the weather's kind of shit. So I like progress though. That's good progress. Alright, deuces. Alright, we are back on the other side of the Monte Carlo. I'm gonna do the front because the back is kind of blocked right now, but I'm gonna try and repeat process. Same thing. I already took the caliper off. Just gonna take brakes off and then take this off. Definitely gotta clean it up a little bit because it's fucking dirty. But oh, that's dirty. But I'm gonna get to it. No worries. Alrighty. Well, I took that off. Take care of your car, because if you do, your car would probably take care of you. I mean, this is just all gunk, and I mean, I just let it sit, and that's why it's so bad right now. But I will say, if your car's been sitting a while, definitely the bolts are probably a little soft, and definitely get this. It definitely helps to make the job easier. And a torque wrench. I mean, I got this on Amazon, 20 something bucks. But yep. Alright. Shit, man. I should have took a lot better care of it, but I will. Slowly but surely.